Merry Christmas, everybody! Since Christmas is here, let's draw this Christmas tree together. And we're going to do that by connecting the dots to draw the outline, details, coloring, and shading. So go in the description below to get your dot-to-dot printable template to follow along with me. Or if you don't have a printer, that's okay. Get a regular piece of paper, pencil, marker, and your art supplies and follow along that way. Let's go! So with my marker, I'm going to start here at number 1. And from 2, 3, 4, a gentle swoop, and we're going to stop at a point. Like that. From 4 to 5, you're curving back, and you're going to stop at 5. And we're doing the same idea all the way around the Christmas tree. So 5, 6, 7, swoop up to 8. Curve back to 9. Swoop all the way to 12. And you're going to curve through 13 and all the way to 14 and up like this. Now the same thing, curving, almost like we're going to do a half moon or half circle, however you want to call it, to 16. And here's a big one. 17, all the way 18 into 19. Then 19 to 20, 21. Curving again through 22 to 23 and stop at a point right here. Now we're going to do backwards like we did on this side and curve straight up. Now I'm going to work backwards here, but you get the idea. You can pull up your pen, you can push it, you can whatever you want. I just find it's easier to work that way. And then 26 to 27. I find it's hard to do it this way because my pen is hiding the numbers. I can't see them. Like this. Curving up to 31. And if you want, you can do it this way too. Swooping all the way to 34. And we're going to stop and we're not going to connect because this is where the star is going to go. But before we get to the star, I want to finish off the layers of the Christmas tree. So go back to number 5. And we're going to curve up, and connect back to 30. And same thing from number 9, we're going to swoop a few times to number 26. Up, curve up, and connect to 26. Now I'm going to do the stump of our Christmas tree. So at number 17, curving outward like that. At number 18, curving outward like this, and then you're going to connect them by doing a gentle curve like that. Now I'm going to go back up to the top here, and now we're going to work on the star. So you can do it 2 ways. You can draw freehand or you can use a ruler if you want. I'm going to try it freehand. We'll see how this goes. So just past 1, straight line kind of in the middle, so just imagine an imaginary line down the center of the tree, and that's where you're going to stop. And we're going to do the same thing and connect back just past 34, like that. And now we're going to finish off the star by connecting all the lines together. What I find it's helpful is if you draw the star in pencil first and then you trace what you did. So that way if you make a mistake, you don't want to have to redraw everything, right? It's easier to erase pencil marks. And there's your Christmas tree. Now we're going to work on the details and add some ornaments. Now next we're going to draw the ornaments, so you could do it freehand or you could use the circle template, which gives you nice perfect circles. I'm going to try freehand this time. I don't like to do it because I am not very good at drawing circles freehand, but I'm going to try anyways. But you know what they say, practice makes perfect. You can draw these ornaments anywhere you like. You don't have to put them in the same places that I'm doing it right now. Now I've got a few numbers that I've added so you can draw the ribbon around your tree. So from wherever you put your ornaments, you're just going to draw and skip over them. So from 2 to 33, you're going to do a curve. And I'm going to draw it this way, and I'm going through an ornament, so I'm going to stop at that ornament, and then I'm going to continue past it. 33. And from 3, same thing. And we're curving to 32. There. Now we're going to do the same thing from 6 to 29 and 7 to 28. And from 10 to 25 and 11 to 24. And now we're ready to color. Now I'm using 3 different colors of greens. A light one for the highlights, a medium one for the midtones, and a dark one for the shadows. If you like drawing this Christmas tree with me, make sure that you hit the like button on this video, and don't forget to go to my channel and subscribe so you don't miss any new dot-to-dot, connect-the-dot drawing videos. I mentioned before in some of my other videos, I like to pick all of my colors before I start coloring a picture and have them off to the side, ready to go whenever I need to use them. This way I'm not spending a lot of time searching for colors. If you're interested in other Christmas-themed or holiday-themed drawing videos, go to the description below and check out my playlist. Now I do the same thing for the ribbon that I did for the Christmas tree itself. Picked 3 different colors of yellows, a light one for the highlight, a mid-tone for the mid-tone, and a dark one for the shadows. Don't forget to add shadows underneath each layer of the leaves of your Christmas tree. With 2 browns, now's the time to color and shade the stump. When it comes to the ornament colors, pick whatever colors that you like. I picked random colors just to be fun, but you know what? If you want them all to be red, go ahead. If you want them to be silver and blue, go right ahead. It's your Christmas tree. You can color it however you want. You'll notice that I'm leaving a portion of each ornament white for the highlight. When all of your ornaments are done, the finishing touch is to color and shade your star. That's the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching and thanks for drawing with me. I'll see you next year. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!